And many childcare centers are back in business after being closed for 3 months due to COVID-19. Focus investigative reporter Paula Vasan interviewed parents and teachers about how childcare looks different today.
6-year-old Riley couldn't wait to get back to Friends School in St. Matthews this morning.
Not having any siblings, we've had to be her playmates, and she's gotten a little tired of that.
But sending her daughter back to childcare wasn't easy, especially with her wife being asthmatic, vulnerable to respiratory infections.
There is a risk that we'll see a spike in cases. There's a risk that she could bring it home to us.
For Angie Bartley, it was one worth taking.
A chance we were willing to take to meet her needs.
Data provided by the Kentucky Department for Public Health shows children, reflected by the first 2 categories highlighted in orange, haven't been impacted by COVID-19 nearly as much as other age groups. But they can still be carriers of the virus. At KLA Schools of Prospect, Director Meredith Gunn says they're doing all they can to make sure kids and their families are safe.
So we're all very thrilled to be back to work today.
Among their changes, smaller class sizes and shorter hours due to Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear's policies restricting daily staff changes. All staff must wear face masks, ideally with clear plastic over their mouths.
Because we want the child to still have that connection with their face and their enunciation with their mouth and their words and their lips.
Instead of parents bringing their kids inside, teachers now escort them from the car to a temperature check outside to the classroom, which many parents say has led to more waiting.
Nobody's perfect, and I told them that, and that we will get through this.
Despite the challenges, Bartley tells us she's never been more grateful for help.
I can take a phone call for work without Scooby-Doo in the background.
Owners of childcare centers say they'll continue to adjust how they operate, and they're waiting for more guidelines from the governor. For Focus, I'm Paula Vasan.